Hi.
I feel like I've been fired out of a cannon. I'm obviously made of strong stuff. Yo.
Big Brother is aware you are made of very strong stuff, Pete.
A man who dresses like a woman, but has no intention of becoming a woman.
Think of yourself as man or a woman.
Come and have a look at my vagina. Think of myself totally as a man. I ain't no fairy. I would be in agony to stand for more than 3 minutes in those clogs. I do everything in heels. He's got a jacket made out of monkey. My fucking coat is in police custody.
Gorilla. Fuck off.
The coat's been arrested, and I want that coat back within the next 2 hours. I am my fair coat. I'm going up the fucking wall. Fuck off. She's really getting right up the crap of my arse. I wouldn't piss on her if she burst into flames. You're insincere to the point of nausea. Just attack Tracy for the hell of it. Who's the problem? Let's just kill Dennis. We could live on him for 3 weeks. Fine. Dracula has risen from the grave. I just want to go. Oh, fuck off, you bunch of slag. Fuck Big Brother and his mother. This is like being in a psychiatric hospital. I'm going to pieces. Just really miss my boyfriend. Michael, we both love you. We really, really do. I want to stay. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a fuck. Oh. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a wretched baby, right round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a wretched baby. Ow, ow, ow.
Hi guys. So this is a Pete Burns tutorial. Obviously you saw the title and the thumbnail. This hair outfit kind of vibe I'm giving here is inspired by the Big Brother era Pete Burns. In this photo, that was probably my favorite Pete look ever. And it's the most iconic other than the Dead or Alive days. And then the eyes with the red eyeliner and the little glowy. Oh, this is where I found a clip. Oh my god, this was so good. I clipped up my shawl so that it gave me the same color that Pete had in his BBC entrance or Big Brother entrance. Anyway, this is the red eyeliner. So yeah, and then there was a red lipstick photo too. I'm not sure if I can find it. So anyway, I am using the Juvia's Place concealer, the I Am Magic concealer with the powder and the foundation. I wanted to really give these a test. I'm using kind of different methods to apply them right now. I apply my foundation with fingers, which always feels so gross to me, but I want to see what is the best option to apply these with. I honestly normally just end up going with a beauty blender because it's the quickest and easiest, and it usually gives the best appearance. So, but I like to give it a try, and this was purchased as a gift for me, so I know the color might be a bit off. Please keep in mind I'm not contouring and I'm not using my extreme highlight as well too. I normally do literally white under my eyes because I like a stark white under eye. But obviously I'm not doing that in this because that's not Pete. I don't even really think Pete contoured. That wasn't really a thing back in the day when I started makeup. Wasn't really a thing. And highlight wasn't really a thing either, so I took this pearl pigment from Shop Miss A. I was going to do a full face of Shop Miss A makeup, but I was just like, this is like makeup I'm never going to use again. So anyway, putting foundation over the eyebrows to give it a more blonde appearance. I was going to cover my brows And I thought, no, you know what? I'm not a drag channel. I don't want to be a drag channel. I want it to be something where you can look at it as a Halloween costume and potentially take a tip from it or two to use on your daily life. And I know daily, I'm sure some people might do it, but most people don't exactly cover their eyebrows. And then I was really excited about the red eyeliner too, because it's not really something I've ever done on myself. Oh, do you like my new rhinestone mirror, by the way? I did it myself. And I'm using Sultry. I'm using the two colors I pointed to, the lighter one on the lid, the darker one. In the crease, you'll see how the shape I'm doing. It's kind of up, down around my bone, and then back up to give a lifted look. And I really blow that out. Right now I'm just placing the color, but you will see. There we go. And then, because some of it can get away from you, I just take that lighter color, go under to just blend it back into the skin. And then the red eyeliner, this is Nicole from Jeffree Star. I don't know if this one's intended to be used on the eyes. I know it's a lip liner, but I know that they're all eye safe apparently. But this one hella irritated me, so take that with a grain of salt, or take it heavily, however you want, but it really irritated me, and it irritated me throughout the day too. Like, even I took it off after this video, but it still irritated me. So I don't know, I probably wouldn't wear it again. You could see me there like right fucked up, but then I'm doing some black eyeliner on the top. And some Juvia's Place orange and pink blush mixed in the Saharan Blush 1, I believe. I'll have the palette down below. And I decided to use Nicole on my lips too. And I'm massively, I know I have lip injections, so whatever, but I'm massively overlining my lips for this, because obviously Pete's lips are one of the most iconic parts of him. So when I get to the top, Pete didn't have a Cupid's bow, it was more pouty. And my injector purposefully does a Cupid's bow. So I just kind of did a little bit of an iceberg situation on my Cupid's bow to balance out that deep philtrum that I have. If that makes sense. And then I'm using Wifey by Jeffree Star. And then I'll be going over it with a Chanel gloss. The name of the Chanel gloss will be down below. It's really pretty though. I wanted a big old glossy pout. The gloss I didn't put on until after my outfit was on though, because I had my wind machine on. I had my blonde wig on. So yeah, there it is. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. It really means the world to me. And I'll try to do maybe 1 or 2 more Halloween looks, but don't hold me to it. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.